It's Margarita, and today we have a special guest, a rose-dominant fragrance, new from the Tom Ford collection, Rose de Chine. Now, in true Tom Ford fashion, he had to deliver, and he delivered in a big way with his new rose collection. This one is Rose de Chine. This was a blind buy I got from Macy's, and for those who watch my channel, you know that rose is one of my least favorite notes. So I'm trying to find rose dominant scents that I like because I don't want to hate any notes, especially one as widely used as rose. This is his standard collection type of design here. It's really sleek and elegant. I like it. And I have to say, I also like the fragrance. Do I like it enough to keep it? No, but here's why. It smells just like, and by just like, the dry down smells almost identical to Creed's Royal Princess Oud, which I already have a decant of. So because this costs $275 for this little bottle, I already have something that smells so similar to it. It's redundant, and I don't want to spend that much on something that's redundant. However, if you like mentholated scents, this is very menthol-y. It smells like a cough drop almost. It's very, it opens up things. It opens up your passages, I think. If you like those kinds of scents, I strongly recommend this. Here are the notes. Chinese peony, rose, myrrh, labdanum. This is very, it's a beautiful fragrance. I do love it, but I do not think it's worth the price because there's already something that precedes it that's out. It's not very unique. It's rare because the only thing I can think of that smells like this is Creed's Royal Princess Oud, but it doesn't justify the price in that regard. Now, Creed fragrances are equally, if not more expensive, but because Royal Princess Oud has been out for years, you can find a bottle aftermarket for less than a bottle of this, which is new, which are not at discounters as of yet. So I really like this. The opening is beautiful. It's spicy, cinnamony, and I almost wanted to keep it until I got to the dry down. Had it not dried down identical to Royal Princess Oud, this bottle and its $275 price tag would be staying with me. But because it's so similar to something I already have that I can get cheaper, I don't see the need for the redundancy. So that's my take on Rose de Chine by Tom Ford. Have you tried anything from the Rose collection by Tom Ford? Let me know. I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about all things fragrance, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.